let's go ahead and open the cream and see how does the cream look. So here, if you'll see, it's a twist to open cap here which was sealed. Open it. So the cream is nice and white in color. Right here it's white in color, it's nice and thick. So you can see it, it's white in color. And you can use the whipping cream for multiple purposes. You can use it as a topping for cakes, you can use it as a topping for desserts. You can also make ice cream from whipping cream. So very simple way of making ice cream is basically use whipping cream and some condensed milk like the Nestle condensed milk or the Amul Mithai made. You can use that and just combine and whip it together and it will form nice fluffy vanilla ice cream like a softie. So I'm just going to lick some cream out to see how does it taste. So unlike Tropolite has sugar in it and it tastes exactly like vanilla ice cream. When it comes to the Amul whipping cream, it doesn't have the sweet taste to it. So Amul whipping cream isn't sweet like the Tropolite that we get. So you will have to make a little more of sweet condensed milk with it to get that flavor of vanilla and add some vanilla essence in it. So guys, this was my review about the Amul whipping cream. If you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. And if you all are looking to buy the Amul whipping cream, it's available on Amazon Pantry. I'll left the link in the description below, you can buy it from there.